So my name is Paul Lucas Benoit Lambert, and I am the founder and managing director of Decomania Limited. So the first project that I worked on with a group of friends after Moringa School was more into the hardware part, where we now wanted to create a security system where a user can relate how many times, for example, looking at a night guard, how many times he has to actuate a button to see if he's awake and to learn from his patterns. This system also has some fail-safe codes for reverse if there's an alarm or something. So it's really something that allows us to secure companies, security companies. We secure them. We provide them with a tool that they can track their guards and track how their performance is, and at the same time we collect this data to sell back to the security guards. Moringa School attracts all the brightest and curious minds in this industry. So really anybody who's in IT who wants to learn into just web development, is it Python, is it, there's a lot of passion behind it. So just meeting the right people already opened a lot of doors for me. And then also, Moringa has this way of not only teaching you how to do certain things from a task, but it teaches you how to learn. And it teaches you that nothing is really impossible, even complex tasks. So when you would ask me when I started Moringa and where I stood after Moringa, I could not have believed that in such an amount of time, I would have reached at such a level, and a passion developed. Not only that, because I feel, for me, I always had trouble with school, and what happened with school for me is that I usually lost passion. You go to school, you learn all these other things, and everything comes in between. So ultimately, when it does come to learning something, you lose that drive. Moringa, on the opposite, kind of created this drive inside of me that I really wanted to learn more, and the more I did it, the more I felt passionate for it. So that's definitely something that Moringa has helped me. Of course, technically, that one is a given. Well, we're actually following up on the Smart House project that we started during Moringa. So this is something that 4 of us started off, and it slowly grew to 6 people now. So this is a kind of side project, which is working slowly. I mean, we're all trying to put in the necessary details into it, but which is a project, again, which all of us find dearly, and it's surprising the kind of ideas that spring up from different people, especially after now Moringa and how you understand these things in a different way. So that's definitely another project. Of course, on my side, I came here wanting to learn how to make the website for the company, which I have learned. So now I've made my own website, so that's been my own small little side project. It's a Django-based website. Become a world-class developer today. Join Moringa School.